MIT engineers just built a robot that might change how we age forever. This isn't just another robot to do chores or play songs. It's designed to help seniors walk, sit, stand, and even catch them when they fall. They call it Ebar. It has arrived right when we need it most, at a time when elder care is facing a crisis. We are about to reveal how this groundbreaking innovation could keep millions safe, and the tech behind it might just blow your mind. So let's dive in. By 2050, over 1.6 billion people will be over the age of 65. That's nearly 1 in 6 of us. In the US alone, the number of older adults is expected to grow from 58 million today to over 80 million. The median age in the country is already 38.9, nearly a decade older than it was in 1980. With people living longer and birth rates slowing, the age balance is shifting dramatically. Meanwhile, care systems are under immense pressure. Caregiver shortages are reaching crisis levels, while healthcare costs continue to spike. Along with shifting demographics, family structures are also evolving, leaving more elderly people to live independently without daily support. Combined, these challenges make elder care one of the most urgent issues facing modern societies. One of the most alarming threats to older adults is falling. Falls are the leading cause of injury-related deaths in seniors. Each year, more than 36 million older adults fall in the US alone. That's right, 36 million older adults. This alarming figure is a call for intervention, leading to over 3 million emergency room visits. These falls not only lead to physical injury, but often result in significant disability, long-term hospitalization, or even death. For families, the fear is constant. What happens if a loved one falls when no one is there to help? This is where the MIT engineers set out to rethink elder care support. Ebar stands for Elderly Body Assistive Robot. It's not just another gadget, it's a full-fledged robotic mobility aid engineered to help seniors move safely and fearlessly. More than a walker or cane, Ebar is designed to actively assist movement and prevent falls. Initially, Ebar appeared as a high-tech robotic frame with handlebars, but beneath lies a simple structure with a responsive system that adapts to human motion. It can help a user transition from sitting to standing, walk beside them, and intervene in real time if a fall is detected. The current version of Ebar is remotely controlled, following the user closely from behind. It has a strong 220-pound base with wheels that can move in any direction, forward, backward, sideways, or even diagonally, without needing to turn or rotate first. Its flexible spine, made of 18 connected bars, moves smoothly like a crane. This spine allows Ebar to provide vertical and horizontal support, adjusting as needed to help a person stand up or sit down safely. 2 U-shaped handlebars extend forward, offering a natural and familiar grip point for users. Now comes the groundbreaking safety feature, the built-in airbags in each arm. These inflate instantly if the system detects a fall. These airbags are made from a soft, non-slip material and are designed to catch the user gently without the need for uncomfortable harnesses. This robotic prototype may still be bulky, but the team behind it is already working on designing the better version. Their goal is to make Ebar more streamlined, more automated, and easier to maneuver in small spaces. And as the researchers explain, the vision isn't just to create a machine, it's to offer peace of mind. Because Ebar can be there when family members can't. When a product is easy to use, it's hard to go wrong. The team behind Ebar, led by Harry Asada, Ford Professor of Engineering at MIT, and graduate student Roberto Bolli, focused heavily on real-world usability. In their conversations with seniors and caregivers, one theme stood out. Elderly people have an extreme dislike for wearing harnesses or complex assistive gear. The team listened. They made Ebar hands-free and harness-free, prioritizing ease of access. Users can simply walk into or away from the handlebars without being strapped in. It promotes independence without stripping it away. The team carefully considered a wide range of real-life settings and situations during the design process. The robot was also designed to fit into actual home environments. Its dimensions allow it to pass through standard doorways. The handlebars are positioned to accommodate a full walking stride, and the base is stable enough to support an average person's weight without tipping. Ebar isn't just a physical support tool, it's a responsive partner. The robot's onboard sensors detect how a user shifts their weight, their direction of movement, and even hesitation or instability. When someone tries to stand, Ebar rises with them along a natural arc. As they walk, the robot keeps pace, matching direction and speed. And if balance falters, the airbags are ready to deploy in milliseconds. This blend of intelligent design and seamless operation makes Ebar truly unique. It doesn't just assist, it adapts in real time to keep the user safe. Ebar has already undergone early-stage testing in controlled lab settings with elderly volunteers. And in these trials, users perform typical household tasks, reaching overhead, bending to pick up objects, and even stepping into or out of a bathtub. Sounds unrealistic, right? But each of these scenarios poses a serious fall risk for seniors. Yet Ebar proved capable of dynamically stabilizing the user, offering steady support without restricting movement. One notable test involved lifting a user over the lip of a bathtub, an action that combines balance, strength, and coordination, but Ebar handled it with complete ease and perfection. Boley envisions Ebar as a device for seniors who still have moderate physical strength but need extra support for daily living. It offers the perfect middle ground between complete independence and the need for constant care. Although the current version of Ebar operates through remote control, the future is autonomous. The MIT team isn't stopping at what Ebar can do today, they're already working on what it could do tomorrow. Plans are in motion to give the robot a new level of intelligence, using computer vision and AI so it can move on its own, understand what its user needs, and respond in the moment, without being told. At the same time, they're redesigning Ebar's frame to make it slimmer, sleeker, and easier to navigate through tight spaces. Because real homes aren't wide-open labs, they're full of narrow hallways, furniture, and everyday obstacles. For this robot to truly help, it needs to fit into real life. But one of the most exciting developments is happening in parallel. Graduate student Emily Kamiensky is leading a project that uses machine learning to assess a person's risk of falling in real time. Imagine a robot that doesn't just catch you when you fall, but senses it's coming before you do. A robot that thinks ahead, protects proactively, and adapts to your changing needs. That's not just smart technology, it's empathetic engineering. And it could redefine what safety and support mean in the aging experience. Success is often the result of far-sightedness, the ability to look beyond the present and make decisions with the future in mind. As elder care becomes a growing national and global challenge, solutions like Ebar could help close the gap between rising demand and shrinking caregiver availability. This robot doesn't replace human connection, but it can reduce physical strain on caregivers, empower seniors to remain at home longer, and provide peace of mind to families. Supported by the National Robotics Initiative and the National Science Foundation, Ebar commits to address real-world problems with innovative engineering. And MIT's work doesn't stop here. Asada's lab is actively exploring a suite of robotic tools tailored to different stages of aging, offering adaptable and scalable support for individuals as their needs evolve. Ebar is changing the game, be it helping people get out of their beds, walk down a hallway, or stay steady on their feet. This is the present, and it's here to help millions of people. Aging should not equate to a loss of independence. It should mean getting the support you need. Ebar delivers precisely that, a technological solution designed to assist and empower the elderly. Ebar is just the beginning, and if this is what the future of elder care looks like, then the future is looking a lot more human. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories like this. Thank you for watching.